Good morning students. Today we are going to see that exercise 3.12. Last class we saw that solving quadratic equations. So we have to use formula method, factorization method, we solve the quadratic equation. In this class we are going to see that the statement problem, how we find the quadratic equation and we have to solve the quadratic equations. Okay, so from the statement problem we have to find the quadratic equation and we have to solve the quadratic equations. See the first question: if the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 by 5, find the number. See, if the difference between a number and its reciprocal, so we don't know the number, so we take, let the number be x. Difference between a number and its reciprocal, you know that reciprocal means we have to write its, change the numerator and denominator, so x will come 1 by x. So number and reciprocal we find it. Let the number be x and reciprocal is 1 by x. What is statement is given? Given condition is difference between a number and reciprocal is 24 by 5. We know that difference means we have to subtract. So number and reciprocal difference is 24 by 5. This is the condition. From this condition we are going to solve the equation. So here it is whole, it is the fraction. So we take the, here we multiple x into x squared minus 1 divided by x is equal to 24 by 5. And then we do the cross multiplication. 5 we have to multiple there, x you have to multiple here. So 5 of x squared minus 1 is equal to 24x. So 5 we multiple inside means 5x squared minus 5 is equal to 24x. So 5x squared, this plus 24 comes inside, minus 24x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we are going to factorize. So if we factorize means, so if you want multiple, we want minus 25, add means minus 24. So 125 are 25. That is 1 and minus 25 is minus 24. So next, the first number we divide, we can get here minus 5. So x minus 5. Here 1 by 5 we take as 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 5. So 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1 by 5. Next, second question. A gardener measuring 12 meter and 16 meter is to have a pedestrian path that is W meters wide installed all the way around so that it increases the total area to 285 meters square. What is the width of the pathway? So the gardener measuring, so 12 meter and 16 meter, one rectangle garden is there. From there he measure one path, he make one pathway, that is we denote letter W. Okay, the wide is this distance, wide is, we have to denote letter W. So we have to install all the way W meter wide. In the pathway we have to install around the garden, so that the area will increase to 285 meter square. So what is the width of the pathway? See, so first we know that this garden length and breadth, length is 16, 12 is 12. Next, it is increases W meter in all the side means, now what is the length of the outer rectangle? So inner rectangle is 12, 16 and 12. Outer rectangle is up to this 16. Here W, here one W, we add W meter we added. So W plus W, 16 plus 2W. So length of the outer rectangle is 16 plus 2W. Breadth, this is 12 means here also it's come 12. But here W meter, here W meter we added means that also 12 plus 2W. So outer rectangle length is 16 plus 2W. Breadth is 12 plus 2W. So if we add this with area will increase. So area is 285. The given condition that only is given. If the length and breadth increases, the area also is increased. It is 285 meter square. So if you know that we know the area, so we find the area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth. So length is 16 plus 2w, breadth is 12 plus 2w is equal to 285. So we multiple 16 into 12, 192, 16 into 2w, 32w, 2w into 12, 24w, 2w into 2w, 4w squared. So we arrange the order 4w squared, 32 plus 24, 56w, 192 is equal to 285. Next we bring this side 285. It becomes 4w squared plus 56w minus 93. So when we see that this is biggest number, 4 into 93 is 372. So from the factorization method we find means it is very difficult to find the biggest number. So the biggest number, how we find the factors? It is easy. We use the formula and find the formula method and find the factors. So 4w squared plus 56w minus 93 is equal to 0. We use the formula method and find the factors. So we take A, B, C. So minus 56 plus or minus 56 squared minus 4 into minus 93. So minus 56 plus or minus 56 squared is 3136. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. 16 into 93 is 1488. So we add this 2, we get 4624. So 4624 we take from the square root. In lower classes, in 8th standard, you studied the square root. How we find the square root? We have to make two numbers. So 46 squares, any square numbers in the 46? Yes, 7 sevens are 49, but 6 6 are 36. So we find 6 6 are 36, remainder 10. Next you bring the two numbers. So what number here we put, we can find the number. So if end with 4 means, what are the squares end with 4? Yes, 2 and 8. If you put 2, we can't get the answer. So you write 8. Here also 8. Here also 8. 8 8s are 64. Remainder 6. 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 12. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 2, remainder 2. 1 8s are 8 plus 2, 10. So it will come. So our answer is 6 square root is 68. So minus 56. If it is plus 68, our answer is 12 by 8. If it is minus 68, our answer is minus 124 by 8. If we divide, 12 by 8 is 1.5. Minus 24 by 124 by 8 is 15.5. We are not take the negative value. So width is not negative. So we take the positive. X is equal to 1.5 meter. So the width of the pathway is 1.5 meter. Next, third question. A bus covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 15 km per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Find the original speed of the bus. See, let the original speed, we don't know that, but we know that bus B, we have to take the original speed be x kilometer per hour. X kilometer we have to take. If the time taken to cover, if the original speed is x kilometer means 90 kilometer it cover means in how many hours it is covered. So we use the distance formula, distance equal to speed into time. So the time is equal to, we know the distance and speed. So distance is 90 kilometer means speed is x kilometer speed. The distance cover 90 kilometer. So we don't know the time. So after increasing the speed 15 kilometer, How much time? So the time taken it to cover 90 kilometers is equal to 90 by x plus 90 kilometer distance. Speed is x plus, now increase 15 kilometers, so x plus 15. Next, what is given? Condition what is given? If 15 kilometer per or more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. So the given condition, if it is the speed will increase, our journey will be less than half an hour. If it should be, so time it is less than half an hour. So 90 by x plus 15 is equal to 1 by 2. Because 30 minutes divided by 60 minutes is equal to 1 by 2. That only written half an hour. So now we do the cross multiplication. 90 of x plus 15 minus 90x divided by x into x plus 15 is equal to 1 by 2. So 90x plus 90 into 15, 1350 minus 90x divided by x squared plus 15x equal to 1 by 2. So 2 of 90x plus 1350 minus 90x is equal to x squared plus 15x. So plus 90x minus 90x will be cancelled. So 2 into 1350 is equal to x squared plus 15x. It is become 2700 is equal to x squared plus 15x. So x squared plus 15x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So if we can factorize this also biggest number, but you can factorize means you get 60 and 45. So x is equal to x plus 60, x minus 45. So x is equal to minus 60, x is equal to 45. The speed will not be negative, so we take the positive. So original speed of the bus is 45 kilometer. So if you are finding miss first sum biggest number, you told you do the square root or formula method here. How? So if you feel it is difficult to find the factors, you can use the formula method and find the factors. The same, you have to use the formula method, AB values, and find the factors. You get the same factors, 45 and minus 60. So we are not take the negative value. So we take the positive value and find the original speed. Next, fourth question. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 5 years hence, the product of their ages will be 375. Find their present ages. So we don't know the present age. So let girl age is twice of his sister's age. So let the sister age will be x, means the girl's age was 2x, because they told the girl is twice as old as her sister. So that sister age x means girl's age was 2x. 5 years hence means after 5 years. Her sister age was x plus 5. The girl age was 2x plus 5. Next, what is the given condition? The product of their ages. Product means what we have to do? Yes, we have to find the multiple. The product of their ages will be 375. So if we find the product, it is 375. So we find the product, x into 2x, 2x squared, x into 5, 5x. 5 into 2x, 10x, 5 5s are 25. So 2x squared, 15x plus 25. Plus comes this side, become minus 375 is equal to 0. So 2x squared plus 15x minus 350 is equal to 0. So now this also biggest number, we can use the factorization method. Instead of that, we use the formula method. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 15, c is equal to minus 350. So x is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So b is minus 15. Here also 15 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 350. So minus 15 plus or minus 225. So minus into minus plus 2800 divided by 4. So minus 15 plus or minus root of 3025 divided by 4. So minus 15 plus or minus In the root we take the square root, it becomes 55. So minus 15. If it is plus 55, our answer is 40. Plus 55 means our answer is 40 by 4. Minus 55 means our answer is minus 70 by 4. So 40 by 4 is 10. 70 by 4 is minus 75 by 4. So the age will not be negative. So we take the positive, x is equal to 10. So age of the sister is equal to 10 years. Age of the girl is 20 years. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.